Welcome. Today in front of me Honor 8X, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and then tap on the sounds and vibration section. Here, as can you see, we got the silent mode switcher. Just to enable silent mode on our device, you should tap once on the switcher and that's it. And if you want to turn it off, tap here again on the switcher, and as can you see here, we got the ringtone and notification volume panel, and when we enable the silent mode, this volume panel, just this white dot here, just swipe to the left side, and by this way you can also just enable the silent mode on your device. And also we got the second way how you can do that. Here on the right side of your device you got the two volume buttons. Just press on one from the volume button, and here you got the bell icon. Just to turn on the silent mode, tap here twice, and as can you see, our calls and notifications muted. And just to turn off the silent mode, just tap once, and as can you see, our calls and notifications will ring. So that's how it looks, and as can you see, that's really simple. That was thanks you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.